So today I will go through the basic of array, okay, because array is one of the most important things we need during like the coding in JavaScript, okay. Like if you will do question related to DP or even let's say some like most of things we will do using array, okay. So it's better to go through the basics of array, okay. So what will I do, what we will teach, like what we will go through here. First thing will be that how to create creation of array. Second will be add element in last, and third will be remove element from last, and fourth will be sorting the array, okay. And fifth will be list of some other basic method on array, okay. As simple as that. We will go through these things only, okay. So let's learn about the creation of array. So how we will create array in JavaScript. So what we can do, let's define array arr1 equals to what, let's just write it like this, and we can write some element here as well, 1 2 3. So let's console it, okay, console the log arr1. So let's run this code. You can see here we have 1 2 3 in array, okay. We can create array in one other way as well. Let's say arr1 arr2 equals to new array, like we can use constructor function here as well, and we can put the size of array as well here. Let's say we want to put the size, we want the size of array is 5, so we can write here 5, okay. So and what we can do, let's print this arr2 here. So let's clear this and run this. So we are getting the element of array, like we have 5 element in array, and as we haven't initialized any element, so it is like we are getting undefined here. So what we can do here, we can fill it with 0 or let's say -1, anything. So let's fill it with -1, as simple as that. So let's run this. So we are getting the size of element is 5, and we are putting all 5, like we are putting 0 for every element, on every element, okay. So we have 0. So this is about the creation of array, and we are filling it. So basically it is simple, like let's say in any question we want that it is initialized, like all element initialized with -1. So let's do this, and we can run it here like this. So we will fill it with -1, simple. We don't have to run any for loop and any to fill the all element, okay, as simple as that. So now, so the thing is that how we will push the element at last, element in last. So it is simple. So it is just we will use push method. So arr2 dot push, let's say 5. So we will add 5 in the last. So we can see here, let's say just console this here, okay. We can write it here after push 5, okay. So let's run this. So it was earlier, it was -1, like, and we have pushed the 5 here. Let's remove element from the last. So how we will remove it? It is a simple, we will use pop method here, okay. So arr, let's do it for arr1 for first array, pop. So what we will have, let's just comment this, okay, for clarity purpose. So let's clear this as well. So now ARR1 pop will remove the element from remove the last element from this ARR1. Okay, so let's console this ARR1. Okay, and let's console this here as well before. And let's say right here after. Okay, so let's run this. Before it was 1 2 3 and after it is 1 2, right? So it is simple. Now let's go through the sorting. I have one simple question. Okay, so let's say we have const ARR2, let's say we have let ARR3 equals to 1 1 0 1 2 3 3 2 0. So let's we have here we have a simple method here to sort any array, that is sort. Okay, array3 dot sort, simple. Okay, what we will write here, array3 dot sort, it will sort. But what will be the output? I just any guess here, just think about it, what will be the output here? So will it be sorted, will have 1 2 3 20 and 1 0 1 or something else? It will be some, let's test it. Okay, let's test it. Okay, we forget to write console here. Let's write here console before ARR2 sorry ARR3 here, write it here, and now after. Okay, so let's run this. Before it was 1 0 1 2 3, now it is like this. It is not sorted, right? We have it is taking it like a string, like 1 1 0 1 2. So what we can do, we have to pass comparator function here. Okay, so how comparator function will work? Let's say if comparator function is returning -1, then it's mean and at some time it is returning 0 and at some time returning 1. So what it will do, it will consider -1 as first, then 0, then 1. Okay, this way it will work. So let's create comparator function, const compare equals to function. It will take two element 1 and element 2, and let's return element 1 minus element 2, right? So let's say we have 1 and 2, then 1 minus 2 is what, -1. So it will be right, it will after sorting it will have 1 and 2. Let's say both are same, then it will return 0, so it will be at same place. Let's say like vice versa. So let's pass here compare. Okay, let's now run this. Okay, so here we can see that it is sorted now, right? It is sorted now. So let's do so these are the basic things we should have handy during the coding, like during doing coding in JavaScript, right? So now let's see some more. It is like it will be useful, but it will not use it that much frequently. Okay, so first one is, let's say, shift. So any guess what will be the shift? Shift means what? Element here 1, then 2, then 3. Okay. So shift means what? Shift means this shift. So it will remove the element from here. So now it will be have 2 and 3, right? So let's say same with unshift. What does it mean? Unshift means unshift. Unshift means what? Unshift means do this thing, unshift. Okay, shift, unshift. Okay, this is shift and this is unshift. So unshift means what? Put element, let's say we put 4 here at beginning and then 2, then 3. Okay, this way. This is the basic things. Okay.